Hi guys, what's up? I'm here at the Gilboa. Just led a tour of 83 bikers, 83 bikes actually. Some of them were couples. 83 bikes from the center of Israel through Judean Desert up to here. And it was a lot of fun. I really like it. I really like the atmosphere, the vibe of the club. I'm leading these kind of trips in our club, and that's fun. Anyway, I'll update you a bit about what's happening with the project. Currently, I've done reset to everything. I've started from scratch. I see Eden is looking for me. I had to reset everything. I've scrapped everything that I've done. I've started from scratch, started learning a bit about texture from scratch, and then built the framework and the structure of the project that I'm going to build in Python. All types of AI APIs. I can give a prompt and get the model directly. Feel that I'm in control. I need to have control about things because I need higher quality than what the AI is giving me. So I'm having only short code from Python generated by the AI for me to review, to make the next step work with Blender and create the model. I'm gonna try that. I'm gonna test it. I need to see whether that can work also. I'm now looking to create an atmosphere of the internal side of a computer. Because if I'm building it with AI, it's going to be the thing that the AI is dreaming about. And the AI is dreaming about more CPUs and more RAM and transistors and all this type of shit. And that's the scene that I'm trying to create, and the game will be in that scene. What type of game? I still don't know. It's just initial phase. I'm just building the structure. I didn't had a lot of time this week. I had one day off in the middle of the week. Went with my wife and her friend, and we had a hike in the Judean Desert, the Judean River near the Dead Sea. And now I had this, it's Friday, I had this tour with the motorcycles. That's a lot of fun. But that was what I was able to do. The other thing I needed to decide about is the YouTube channel. What I'm gonna do with the main YouTube channel if it's not meant to get players' attention. And I've decided that I'm gonna keep it. I'm gonna keep this channel. Wow, they are beeping here because there are a lot of bikes. I've decided that I'm gonna keep this channel because I'm gonna use it for inspiration. I have another channel. This one will be my personal life. The other channel in Hebrew. And this channel is gonna be purely for people that wanna have someone to go with them on their project. So actually, if you have a project and you're struggling like me, and you're seeing all kinds of gurus saying all kinds of things that here you do that and that will work and this is the way to go, and you're feeling that everyone is running so fast that only you hardly doing it and then struggling with it. So you have me to compare, to talk to if you want to. And if you have any type of project, or if you are thinking about projects of your own that you're going to start, then welcome. I'll try to be a good example. I don't promise, I may fail. But if it will work, great. If your project will work, even better. I suggest that you'll stop scrolling and don't do subscribe or like to anything. Simply start your project, do the initial steps like me. Decide that you're going to break the wall, decide that you're going to do it again. Decide that you are not despairing even if something isn't working the way that you think. Because some of you will succeed on that try, and those that won't, most of us that won't succeed, still it's going to be worth it. And it's going to be worth it, I think, for two reasons. One, you're going to learn, and maybe it will be useful later on. But the second thing is more important. I think at the end of the day, you are looking back at what you've done, and I prefer to say, I've tried and I've failed, rather than to think that I could have tried, but I was lazy and I didn't have the drive, and oh, why didn't I try? A year before I should have started it. That's, for me, I prefer failing. I prefer failing. I don't mind failing. I failed a lot. And you probably failed a few times and will fail again. But I prefer trying and failing, rather than not trying and just later on saying, I could have done that. You can do it. You can do it now. Stop scrolling, start doing it. So that's where I'm going on with this channel. See you guys. Bye. See you next week.